Alright everybody, in today's Gorilla Tag fan game tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you all how to add scary baboon lights slash power outages. But what I mean by scary baboon is when you're playing after a certain amount of time, all the lights go red, flash, and stuff like that. And then there's two scripts. One, you can just do power outage like I do, or you could do the flashing lights. So first, I'm just going to make a folder so I can put them in here. And let me quickly move one of them because I think I already have one in here. Yeah, timed activator. So go down in the description or the comments, join my Discord server, and then you'll be back here. Go to scroll down, find power outages and red lights. Once you get there, you obviously import it into your game. You should be fine. Now I'm just gonna create an empty because it's easier. I'm just gonna name this scary baboon lights. And then what you want to do is you want to just I'll do scary baboon first. If you're doing scary baboon, what you want to do is keep it here, and basically your objects to enable and disable, this is how much time you want. So this is how often. So I'm going to put this as for a test. I'm just going to put it as 10 seconds, and then we're going to create I'll put it over here so I can. We're going to create a game object, and I'm assuming y'all know how to make buttons, so just get a button in here. It's not hard to do. It's really simple. I made it last night. We'll make this one the green button and then duplicate it. Make this the red button. We'll put them together. Now we'll do this green, red. Only one of them really needs trigger, which would be, but I'm going to put on both just in case. Now put this in here. Now make an empty again and name this power outage, or what this is basically going to be the color of your lights when it goes off. So on here, your objects to disable will be red, and then enable will be green, and then enable. And then on your red, we'll disable the green one, and then on your red you want to add a disable script, which you should have. I'll put it there if you don't have one. Disable script. Now what you want it to disable is actually you should probably use a list. You want it to disable list. You want it to disable the green button. Oh, what am I doing, brother? Red. Disable these two. So you want to drag right in here and here. Simple. Now here is where people might get confused. This is optional. If you want an audio source, just go audio source. Don't play on awake. You want it to loop. Select an audio clip. We're just gonna do let me just find a quick. Let's see if I have my lobby audio here. Here we go. We'll just choose this for a test, and then just drag that there. Pretty simple. And then once you have that done, what you're gonna do is go into here, add a volume. If you have baked lighting and like post processing, you'll know what this is. Create a new one. What I did on mine is all I had to do. I'm just gonna copy this over. Clone. Oh no. Copy this over. And then I'm gonna clone this. And then basically you just edit these. If you don't know how to add these, you basically go like this. You go add override post processing and then click whatever you want. You can adjust this to whatever you want, but in this case I'll have to do I'd remove the film grain, and then turn the color hue to red, and then now this is what they'll see when your lights go to red. You can change all these settings. You can make it as creepy as you want or whatever. It's up to you. So then once you have that, you want to disable this, and then when you're done, if I did this correctly, it should work when you test it. So now if we wait 10 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh, and then my music starts, and then, hold on, let me get out of here so I can, then on the player, my bad guys, oh, here, kill it. Did I not put this on this trigger? Oh, that's my bad. On the green, I for some reason put the disable on the red. That is my bad. Put it on the green. It depends, because it's whatever one gets enabled, you want the disable stuff on. So now let's retest this. Would explain why it wasn't working. So this is what people will see. Yeah, it's creepy, basically. You can have creepy audio playing. And so then when their left hand touches this, it all stops and it resets the timer. Now if you want me to edit the script, leave a comment down below and I can make it to where it randomly happens. So basically, once it hits the time mark, it does a 1 through 10 or like a 1 through 10 chance, picks as a random number. If it hits that number that I put in the script, then it activates, so it'd be more rare. But right now, it would happen no matter what. Now, if you want to do one that's not like this, and you want to do like a power outage, I recommend doing something like this. So turn your color shift down a little bit, and then turn your post exposure down a little bit. Just enough to where you really just gotta mess with it. That's all it is messing with the settings until you like it. For power outage, you go like that, I guess. Yeah. And so then instead of doing that, go to here. If you don't want an audio, for example, we'll remove this script and add timed activator. It's the same thing. You want to enable this, and disable this. Basically, now it's the same thing. And if you want, so for now, what we're gonna do is watch audio source. Now I'm gonna do a power outage sound. We don't want this to loop. Now it's gonna do the same thing, but the difference is instead of having a looping audio like the other one, it just does this. After 10 seconds, you hear the power outage. And then you can also like make this into something cool. And then yeah, resets. Pretty simple. And if you want me to edit the script, change it in any way, let me know. Oh, one more thing. I have my script do something special. Basically, on my power outage, when my power outage goes out, I have it spawn. Basically, yeah. So I have the normal next spots. So then when the power outage happens, I have on the so I don't know why I did this, but I think I put the script here. Where did I put it? Level 1. Oh, right here. I put the bold one in here. So basically when this gets enabled, it's not working. Oh, well, you get the point. It has the boiled one, and it spawns in a monster, which you could do too. And I haven't posted in a while, so it's gonna be probably a dead video, but that's fine. If you have any more tutorial ideas, leave it down below, and follow for the next one.